There. Okay. So we are going to color this apple, like from Animal Crossing. Here's the one. Yep. I'm just showing you the sample. So we can say that the light is hitting coming from the right side. So I just have to expect that I need to leave the highlight up here and not to forget about the lines there too. Okay, so I'll go get. So I'm supposed to get these colors. So all we need is red and we need is maroon, which is dark red. So I'll go grab the base color and we just need to start that gonna be leaving a spot. So just to remember that, okay? Because remember, the light is coming and hitting from above. So I'm just gonna take a snapshot and we're just gonna leave it there that I paste it on the at the bottom left corner of my screen. Okay. So we're gonna leave a spot right here. Just a tiny spot. And then we're gonna do some coloring. Yep. So we're just gonna make an easy method. And I'm going to, you know what to do. Yep. Just outline first, just we need to trace. Then I have to fill it in, but be careful of this highlight. Because if I ever made a mistake, then I suggest I'll gonna need to grab the the whiteout, or the white Posca pen. Okay, great job. Okay, so what I just need is we need to let it dry first, just to remember that where the light is hitting it from right side above. Yep, so you can see that in my view. So we're gonna need to use the maroon marker, which is a darker red, a dark red. And what we need is to, all we need is to layer the color. Like we need, first we have to check if the layer is dried. But if it's not, we have to wait for a moment and then I'll check. Hopefully it does seem to work. Okay. Great. Right. And now all we need is to put some water. So you see that shadow side on the very left side. It's not going swell as it turned brown. Yeah, so because it's always red, right? So remember that. And then we're gonna use the water and just go over through it, like from the shadow part. Oops. Yep. And then we need to shade it. I know. Because seems like it's going pretty crisp. But we will take some advantages right after that. It's going red. Yeah, but that's alright. Yeah, because it's just really quick. It's just a quick stance, by the way. So we're gonna let it dry, then I will refill it again. Okay, so now we're moving on to the next side is the stem. So we need to grab the green color. Like for instance, I'm just gonna go for the green one. This is saying dark. So, okay. We're gonna use green, and of course, why do not we need forget to use dark green? Yeah, because you can see from the image. Oh, my bad. Yeah, but it's right. It's for the leaves, so yeah. So what can I say? I'm just gonna recommend to color with the leaves first or the stem. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's your choice. You can choose whichever will take up on to. Okay. So I'm going to start with the base color first. Then we need to trace the image, trace the outline. Then you can color it. Alright. Now to fill it in. Okay, where was I? There we go. Now we're just gonna let it dry for a moment. So now we can use the dark green for the veins. Okay, so part of the apple, we're just gonna draw some leaf veins from the upper left to the lower right. So, just gonna draw this way, not too thick. And finally, for the stem, we're gonna be using brown, and then we can use just a tiny bit of cocoa brown. But first of all, we're gonna use brown, because since the light is hitting, so we need to, is to adjust that to make it a bit more crisp. Okay. Not too bad. Okay. Okay. So I guess it's supposed to be a bit more accurate right now. And last but not the least, for that part, we're gonna stick in with just a very thin, crisp stroke by using the color that's cocoa brown. But we're not gonna use too much, okay? Because then it'll not look as the exact as the other one. So you can just do this. Okay. Very thin. And we are... And yes, we are done. Isn't it that easy? Yeah. Because I just basically drew and sketch of the small of the apple. Where you see it? Yeah, it's part from the Lego Animal Crossing. Because I made an apple of the Lego version type. And yes, so thank you guys for watching. And make sure you can know it, right? It's like how we do it in Procreate, but it's actually looking fun. Yeah. So, bye everybody. Oh yeah, I forgot. And just to know before I quit this video, you could swatch the colors that you've used for this method. And plus, don't forget that you could write whichever technique you use, and plus which one also it includes for that. Yeah, but that can be also fun.